Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw Mega Minion Mel in the new movie Despicable Me. Let's get started. Today we're going to use a coin again, and if you're in Europe, you can use a 50-cent piece, or if you're in America, you can use a quarter, okay? I have both here, so we're going to do his perfect little eye in the middle here. Make sure you let that dry before you lift up your quarter so it doesn't smear the ink. Now let's do the outer part of his goggle. He has a single goggle. Okay, we're gonna start here. You can turn the page as you move around if you need to. Okay, now there's a little part up here on the top part of his eye. It kind of goes like this, over and down. Well done. Okay, and then let's start the outer part of the goggle. It's very similar to all the other Minions goggles. And we'll do the same on this side. All right, well done. Okay, now let's do the strap. So this strap comes a little bit of a slant. And curve. And put your line there. All right. And then let's do the same thing on this side. Okay. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's start forming the top part of his head. And it's gonna go to about there. So if you want to even start your line there and bring your line back and down. And if you want to do the same thing here, okay? And connect that line. All right. Well done, everyone. Okay, now we're gonna bring this line around to about here before we do his suspenders, okay? So you can follow that line down. And if you want to do the same on the other side. Well done. Okay, let's start forming his suspenders. So this line is gonna go to about here. So if you bring your marker down, that's your dot. Okay, and the same thing on this side. It's about there, okay? You can draw your line across. That's the top part of his dungarees. And then he's gonna have a diagonal line to go up to make his straps. And then bring it back down like that. And then you can do a little button. All right, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, and then do your button also here. Well done. Okay, I'm gonna just do his little face here. This is the cutout of from his cape. So it's very curved. All right. And this is curved as well, and it joins back around. All right, and connect that line. Well done. Now he's a very small little mouth, so it's just a tiny little oval. And he just has a few jaggedy teeth, just like that. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's keep going on. We're gonna do his arms next, and then we'll start the bottom of his body, okay? So this arm, I'm gonna go out, okay? This line just goes up a little bit like that. And then he has a little fist, okay? So we'll do this line first. It goes all the way in, back around and up like that. It kind of looks like the letter E, actually. And then this thumb is gonna be a little bit smaller because it's behind it. And this one's a little bit smaller again. Great job. And then let's bring his arm back down and under just like that. Well done. Okay, let's do this arm next. So this arm is actually a little bit close to the top of the suspenders, and it's gonna curve down like that. Okay, and then this one is gonna curve down like that. You can leave a little bit of space there, okay? And we're gonna wrap this up. And then he has a glove as well, so you can wrap that back just like that. Well done. Now let's give him a little glove, okay? So it's the one finger there, another thumb there, And the last one is going to reach back up again. Okay, well done. All right, let's do his suspenders next. So we're going to stop it about here, and we're going to make a little arch because this is his front foot. His front foot's kind of in front of this one, so it's going to be a bit different. So this line is going to stop right there, okay? And you're going to go like that. All right, now this one's gonna be different. We're gonna have the leg behind it, so I wanna draw the line here because the leg is behind, okay? It's in the background, this is in the foreground. Okay. So to show that it's in the background, we're gonna put it behind this part, okay? And connect that line. All right, now I'm just gonna put a little pocket on here. The usual little minion pocket. And remember, this week I'm concentrating just on Mega Minion videos, so this is my 4th, and tomorrow I'll do the last one for you, okay? I hope you followed along. Now let's do his leg. It's gonna come down a little bit. This one's gonna go down, and you're gonna arch that up a little bit, okay? Well done. And then the top part of the boot is very similar to the hand, so it goes back around underneath like that. Okay, and then this line is the back of his boot. There's one little line here, and then we're gonna do the top part of his boot. Okay, and then let's arch this a little bit in just like that. You see it's the boot design. And then the bottom is going to be jaggedy because it's the bottom of his boot. Well done. All right, now this boot's a little bit different because he's kind of doing a lunge actually, just behind here like that. All right, and then we'll do the top part of the boot. And then let's bring this line down. All right, you're going to bring this line down, and then do this top part of the boot like the other one. Well done. All right, and then let's just curve this line up. And we're gonna finish it off by doing the jaggedy. All right, that's our Mega Minion Mel drawn. Let's color him in. In order to color something that look like gold, like the Minions outfits, you need to use a few different color yellows and a couple brown colored pencils. Use all 5 of those and you can combine it, and that's how you make gold. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this very cool Mega Minion Mel. Bye!